Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement HMI module in a Holden RG Colorado for the 2017 to 2020 models. So first off, click the vehicle button and then head to the HMI tile. We'll then go up and click on the Learn Functions tab and then head to the VIN Security Link button. We're going to press go, and this is going to now remove that theft locked warning on the screen. We'll see it will flash a moment, show no VIN, and then finally it will actually boot up and show the main HMI screen. Next, we're going to go over to the flashing tab, and we're going to make sure we have a battery maintainer fitted first, and then click on the right button. This will then begin downloading the required calibration files and then begin the flashing sequence. This step only takes a few seconds to complete, so it is nice and fast and ensures we have the correct configuration to suit this vehicle. Once it completes, it will indicate that it's performing the finalization routine, and the screen will then also show that it needs to restart to complete the update process. This only takes a few moments, and we'll see that it will boot up and show the main home screen. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.